Hello student, in this session I am going to discuss the next isomerism. In previous video we have studied about the chain isomerism and position isomerism. So look here, functional isomerism. Okay, now functional isomerism. Look here, functional isomerism. Functional isomerism. Okay, functional isomerism. First point, simply what is the definition of functional isomerism? Same molecular formula, but difference in functional group. Okay, structure are known as isomer and the process are known as functional isomerism. Now example, look here, C3H6O. This is a compound, can written as CH3 CH2 CHO. Okay, now count total number of carbon 1 2 3 3, hydrogen 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 1 oxygen means structure is correct. Now second structure is CH3 C double bond O CH3, second structure. Now count total number of carbon 3, hydrogen 3 plus 3 6, oxygen 1, means same molecular formula but different functional group. Okay, known as functional isomerism. Look here, functional group is ketone. Okay, and here functional group is aldehyde. So what is the name of this compound? The name of this compound is propanol. Propane Al. Okay. Now what is the name of this compound? 1 2 3. Pro. For 3. Pro. All are saturated. Propane. 1 2 3. 2 on. Okay. So propanol and propane 2 on are the functional isomerism. Okay, functional isomerism. Okay, now all of you take the screenshot of this and note down on your copy. Now next also going to discuss one more example. Okay, now look here, C3. Okay, C3 H6O2. Okay, C3H6O2. Now going to draw first structure, CH3 CH2 COOH. Okay, now calculate total number of carbon 1 2 and 3, hydrogen 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, oxygen 2. Okay, now next going to draw second structure, CH3 C double bond O CH3. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Okay, now count 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3, 3 carbon, hydrogen 3 plus 3 6, oxygen 1 and 2. Okay, now look here carboxylic group is present. Okay, and here this one group, that is ester group. Okay, ester group. The name of this compound is propanoic acid. Okay, and what is the name of this? Now look here, this is the ethanoate. And here methyl. So the name of this compound is methyl methyl ethanoate. Okay, this is the ester group, or for ester, the IUPAC name for ester is alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl alkanoate. Smaller group is alkyl. So look here, CH3 methyl, total number of carbon 2 methyl ethanoate. So propanoic acid are the functional isomerism of methyl ethanoate, and propanol is the functional group of propane 2-one. Okay, yes. So now take screenshot and note down in your copy. Okay, next I am going to discuss ring chain isomerism. Okay, it is very simple, ring chain isomerism. Okay, ring chain isomerism arises due to difference in their structure. Okay, in closed chain and open chain. So look here, example, ring chain isomerism. Now look here, this one propene, and this was the cyclopropene. Cyclopropene. Okay, now calculate total number of carbon. Here C3H6. Here 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 carbon, and hydrogen 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Okay, so same molecular formula, but difference in propene structure is CH3, CH11, CH2. Okay, so where this type of difference is seen, isomerism form ring chain isomerism. Okay, so all of you take the screenshot of this. Now next I am going to discuss rest two isomerism. Now next metamerism. Okay, metamerism. Now what is metamerism? Now in this is isomerism, that is metamerism. Okay, compound have same molecular formula and same functional group. Okay, compound have same molecular formula and same functional group. Difference in attachment of alkyl group. Near or around functional group. Okay, so what is the metamerism? Compound have same molecular formula, same functional group. Only difference in attachment of alkyl group around the functional group or near the functional group. Okay, what is the example? Look here, CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3, CH3O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, now look here, CH3O, CH2, CH3, CH3. Wait. Not this. Now look here, calculate total number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. Oxygen 10. Hydrogen 10. oxygen 1. Now calculate 1, 2, 3, 4. Same. Hydrogen 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. Oxygen 1. Both are ether. Okay. This is the diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. And this is the propyl methyl propyl ether. Now look here. Same molecular formula, but difference in alkyl group near the oxygen atom. Okay, this is the ether group. Look here, here ethyl, here ethyl. But look here, in this case, here methyl. This is the group, here methyl, and here propyl. This type of isomerism are known as metamerism. Okay, now the last one is tautomerism. Okay, so tautomerism it is also known as keto-enol isomerism. Discuss in next video, that is tomorrow. Okay, and I also revise your topic, that is nomenclature and this isomerism. Thank you.